Want to create this viral video? Many creators are earning thousands of dollars by uploading abandoned theme viral videos, and you can do it too. Hi everyone, this is Kay. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you step by step how to create this viral abandoned cartoon character cinematic videos using ChatGPT and Google Flow AI. Believe me, this method is very simple and fully AI powered. So stay with me in this video and make sure to hit like and subscribe button so that you will not miss these amazing video tutorials. This video includes 3 steps. First, we will generate image prompts from ChatGPT. Second, using these prompts, we will generate images. And after that, we will generate video clips for our abandoned characters video. And at the end, we will do just simple editing. So are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Generate image prompts. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type abandoned movie scenes. Add this GPT and start a new chat. Now type Shin-chan cartoon characters abandoned image prompts. The GPT will generate 5 detailed Shin-chan cartoon characters abandoned image prompts for you. We will use them in the next step. Step 2. Image generation. Now we have our image generation prompts. It's time to generate the images for our video. For this, we will use Google Flow AI. Go to the Chrome browser and type Flow AI. Click on this. Now sign in with your Google account. You can see the Create Image section here. Now go to the ChatGPT and copy first image prompt and paste it in this box. Keep the settings as is here. Now attach a reference image for best result and hit enter. Our first image is generated. It is perfect for our video. Now repeat this process to generate all the images. This GPT generates 5 images in one click, but if you want more images, then simply type the number of images or characters you want and it will generate them for you. Now, click on Download and render it in high quality for better video creation. Step 3. Video generation. Now we have images for our abandoned video, so it's time to convert these images into video clips. For this, we will switch to the video section. Now click on Frames to Video and make sure to set these settings as they are here. Now upload your first image as the first frame. And after that, upload the second image that you want to make your last frame. And paste the video prompts given in the description or comment section, and click on it. Now we have our Shin-chan cartoon characters abandoned video. Look at the quality and the environment of the video. It is very impressive. Now generate the next video clip. For this, just repeat this process. Upload the last frame from your previous video. In my case, this is Shin-chan image, so I will start from this point, and for the last frame, add a new character image. Now paste the same video prompts given in the description and hit enter. Now your second clip is ready as well. Click on Download and render it in high quality. Now we have completed all the major steps. We will edit to get our final output. For this, choose any editing software you want. I'm using CapCut here. You can use it as well. Now open CapCut, click on New Project, import all the video clips, arrange them in order, and when everything looks good, then export it. And congratulations, your Shin-chan character's abandoned video is ready.
So if you find this video helpful, please support me by hitting the subscribe and like button. Also, tell me in the comment box which topic you want for the next video. For now, keep yourself healthy and smiling. Bye!